Hi children, in the last class we have studied about different parts of the plant as well as about flowers. So today we are going to study some of the common trees and which are in our neighborhood. Okay, so let us see which are the trees present in our neighborhood. Neem, banyan tree, people tree, kikar tree, mango tree, bilwa tree. Bilwa tree is also called as Indian bale. So here the neem tree, it is used for what? It is used for medicinal purposes like antifungal and antibacterial agents, and it is also treating for the malaria. Okay, so next people tree. People tree is the worship tree for Indian peoples. Okay, it is also used to cure the jaundice. Okay, so next is banyan tree. Banyan tree is a huge tree, and you know that which is the Indian famous tree. India, that is national tree. Okay, so that is banyan tree, and banyan is a huge well spread tree. Most of the year means many years together it has lived. So birds make the nest in that, and it has a aerial roots. Aerial roots means the roots are hanging, no, that we call it as aerial roots. Kikar. So kikar tree is also used for making wheel of the carts from the kikar tree. So bilwa tree. Bilwa means bilpatre anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So here it is used for worshipping the Lord Shiva, and Shiva is very favorite that bilpatrege ಶಿವಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. So here we are going to make a delicious drink also with the help of this fruit. That is bilwa tree fruit. It will be there, no? With the help of that we are going to prepare a delicious drink. Okay, next is wild plants. Some plants are undesirable, means where they will grow they only don't know. So such plants we call that as weeds, and they need to be removed as they do not allow other plants also to grow properly. Okay, so example for that is water hyacinth, dandelion, then parthenium ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So some of the wild plants have medicinal values. Haritaki fruit, it is also used as remedy to cure joint pains. Okay, amlaki and guggul. Amlaki means ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ನೆಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗುಗ್ಗುಳು. So it cures the heart ailments, means heart related any disease is there means it can cure. Pippali and damiana. Pippali means it is like a long pepper. Okay, damiana is a yellow flower. These two, it helps us to relieve from stomach ache. Okay, so next is taking care about trees. A gardener, he looks after the plants and the trees, and in the parks and lawns also trees grow in the open area of the house, that we call it as private property of the who will be the owner of the house. In his house they will grow, that is called private property. Trees that grow on the roadsides, that neem tree, eucalyptus tree, that is public property, and it has to be taken care by the municipal corporation. Okay, so the forest department, it looks after the trees in forest sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Okay, so this is about how they are going to take care about the trees. Next is tribal people. So the tribal people, they live in the forest and they get the food from the plants and the trees growing in the forest. They also hunt the animals, flesh eat, wild fruits, nuts, roots and stems of some plants they are going to eat. And tribals get the food, water, shelter and things every day what they need from the forest. Man cuts the trees for fulfilling the requirements and grow crops and make the buildings, roads, etc. So this disturbs the life of tribals. Nowadays they are going to the tribals, they are very much disturbed because of happening this all. Okay, due to deforestation, these tribals are forced to leave their homes and settle in nearby places. So they are going to leave the forest, and they are going to they are settling in nearby places. They are putting the tent and they are going to stay. they find it difficult to settle at new places. In the new places they are going to they are staying in the forest in the olden days, and now they have to be set in the new place, means it has become a big problem for them due to illiteracy, customs, rituals that they don't know to follow. Okay, so we must try to grow more trees, and we should not cut the trees. Okay, so this is about today's topic, children. Thank you.